Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and welcome to today's video. Thank you for clicking on this particular one. It means a lot to me. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for the support. And if you just joined me, I do cleaning motivation, I do laundry motivation and grocery hauls, sometimes a little bit of a lifestyle. And in today's video I'm going to share with you my weekend routine. This is what I'm going through all every day on Saturday. So, and my Saturday has changed. I am now living with my daughter. She's going to a certain school that requires me to travel with her every single day. So I decided that she can come and join me to stay with me every day so that it is easier for her and me to prepare ourselves together in the morning. Right now, I was preparing to go and iron my clothes. Guys, I didn't have an ironing board. I didn't have an ironing board, so I was forced to buy an ironing board so that I can iron her uniform handy. I don't want to iron in the morning, but sometimes I'm forced to iron in the morning or at night before going to sleep, but I prefer to iron her uniform before Monday starts. Now, I couldn't iron everything that was ironable this time because I'm not used to ironing, and the iron that I'm using, that's where you're going to see the struggle I am going through. I am using an iron that is put on the fire, and I'm using gas. I'm trying to save it also. So yeah, I was just choosing here and there her uniform and my partner's t-shirts, tops only. Luckily, my clothes are not those ones that are ironed every day. I don't even prefer them to be ironed because iron has sometimes iron can fire your clothes and they get tattered easily. So this is the kind of iron that I'm using, and sometimes it gets too hot that when you iron it, it's stuck on the clothes. So what I use to smooth it, I just smear the soap, the bar soap, and then then it gets smooth again. I iron it on something, and yeah, guy free for that. So if you have this kind of iron with akwishisha man, yeah. So this ironing board, I bought it from Checkers. It was 275 rand, and it's a wooden ironing board. So what I'm going to do is to put that towel there to shield the cover of this thing, because I didn't buy an ironing board cover. One thing at a go, guys. This is new to me and I am struggling. I am really struggling. I am waking up at 4 o'clock. The first day of school, I woke up at 4 a.m. Then we arrived at school around 6:30. That was very early in the morning. I had to wait with her so that they open the school and we enter. One another thing that makes me wake up so early is to beat the traffic that you go through every day there at the Circle of Dalmada. If you know it, I am residing in Limpopo, so I come from the rural areas, jumping Dalmada Circle, which is always full of cars. So I'm trying to beat that thing. I don't want my daughter to be late because of traffic when I can just wake up and I avoid it. So now I've changed the wake up time. I set my alarm at 4:20. Then I put water on the fire at 4:30. Then we bath around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock every day we are going out. Every day 6 o'clock we are going out. So guys, the fire there is always on, like your electric iron. It's always on a plug. When I want to make my soul, when I want to be at ease with my soul, I'm just saying no, my gas is not being finished. It's like when you are plugging your kettle, when you are plugging your iron, and then forever plugging, your units are moving also. So is my gas moving like your units are moving. So that's how I just keep myself at ease that this is working. So I'm just gonna see how long the gas is gonna last me, because this thing of the water on the water for bathing is just too much every day in the morning. The ironing has just popped in. It's not my thing. So yeah, that's just the changes that are going on this year. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and guys, let's enjoy this one. This is how I iron every time when I want to wear something. So again, for me to maintain a normal heat so that I do not burn my clothes, I first start to put the stove on a higher level. Then when the iron is hot, I'm going to put it on a lower level. So it's high, medium, and low. I'm gonna put it on a lower level so that it can be heated moderately, so that it does not burn my clothes. And then again, it felt so good. It felt so good to iron a bunch of clothes at the same time. And I realized how much I missed doing these chores, because at home back then when I was in high school, I used to iron my clothes like in a batch. But laziness got into me. I was ironing as I go. And after ironing, you see your clothes stay flat and so neat. I think this is going to be my routine for the longest time.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step, still hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Fearless.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping.
And so yeah, the material for the skirt and the golf shirt, it's that one that catches fire easily, so I had to make sure that the iron cools off a bit so that I can easily iron without burning the material.
Lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Yes guys, you see how flat packed this is. It's so nice. Even when it's in a wardrobe, you you won't even tlhaka here. Guys, let me just go and iron all my wardrobe once and for all, because it's messy, especially on my side.
Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't.
And later during the day, I had to go fold these ones, so they slept in a basket. I was tired the previous day, so those ones, they slept in a basket, and yeah, I had to go and pack them to their according spaces. Guys, if you compare the two, I'm loving the ironing. Right now, I'm in love with the ironed clothes.
Know that yet.
If you're still here, hope you're still enjoying. I hope if you're new, you have considered subscribing, liking this video, and yeah, if you are a regular, thank you for the support. I really appreciate your time, guys.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
See the difference between. Thank you for watching, and I love you so much. Please subscribe to this channel, comment and like this videos. See you in my next one. Bye.